1. I wake up early in the morning. 2. She is cooking breakfast for the family. 3. We are going to the park today. 4. He drinks coffee every morning. 5. They are waiting for the bus. 6. I forgot my keys at home. 7. Please open the window. 8. He always reads the newspaper. 9. The children are playing outside. 10. I am learning English every day. 11. How are you doing today? 12. I am fine, thank you. 13. What are you looking for? 14. I am looking for my phone. 15. Where are you going? 16. I am going to the market. 17. Can you help me please? 18. Yes, I can help you. 19. Do you like tea or coffee? 20. I like coffee more than tea. 21. I am working on my project. 22. She is writing in her notebook. 23. He studies hard every day. 24. The teacher is explaining the lesson. 25. Please listen carefully. 26. We are preparing for the exam. 27. I completed my homework. 28. They are discussing the assignment. 29. I am using my laptop for work. 30. She is teaching English online. 31. I need a taxi. 32. The train is late today. 33. We are going to the airport. 34. How much does this cost? 35. It is very expensive. 36. Can you give me a discount? 37. I want to buy some fruits. 38. The shop is closed now. 39. Let's go for shopping. 40. I paid by cash. 41. The weather is very hot today. 42. It is raining outside. 43. I love listening to music. 44. She is watching a movie. 45. We are playing cricket in the ground. 46. He is sleeping in his room. 47. I am feeling hungry. 48. Please give me some water. 49. Let's go for a walk. 50. Everything will be fine.